Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video, we are here in Kyle Canyon. This is owned by KB Homes. The name of the community is Arete. They just opened up not too long ago. And today we are going to feature the 1590 plan. It's a two-story home. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. Let's go inside, you guys, and check this house. Welcome to the 1590 plan. As soon as you get to the door, there's a video doorbell and keyless entry. And right here, this is the guest bathroom. So the first floor, it features the living room, the dining area, and a modern kitchen. Right here you will see this peninsula. Love the color of the cabinets. It features a single undermount sink. Right here, you guys, this is the pantry. It's a walk-in pantry. It's a decent size. And right on this side, this is the 2-car garage. Unfortunately, it's locked, so I won't be able to show you. This area right here, this is for your dining table. As you see, love this dining set. And from here, you would see the backyard outside. It's huge. It's tons of space to entertain your friends and family. And as you see, this is already landscape, but normally when you purchase a home from KB, they come with a dirt lot. Now we're gonna go upstairs and check the rest of the bedroom and the laundry area. And in this plan, there is a little area over here. You can use this as a study room if you have kids. This side right here, this is one of the secondary bedroom. It's a decent size with the walk-in closet inside. And right outside, this is a linen closet. And then there's another bedroom over here. I love that they added this large window. It makes the whole room bright. And there's also a walk-in closet inside this room. And right outside is a shared bathroom. It features a single vanity with tub and shower combo. And this side, this is the laundry area. You don't see any washer and dryer because these are optionals. But there's a Okay, you guys, we're gonna check the primary bedroom. This is a large bedroom. Love that they added these two big windows. Just look at the amount of space over here. And right this side, this is the primary bath. It features the dual sink, vanity, water closet on this side, and this is the shower area, combination of tub and shower. And there is a linen closet on this inside bathroom. And the walk-in closet over here, a decent size. Again, this is the 1590 plan. There's 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, and the starting price is $439,990. If you are interested of owning one of this home in a ready community, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. There is a $75 HOA in this community. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.